Yeah, so despite the rain, we managed to get Ian's B-King sorted out. Supercharged, 317 horsepower, 170 foot-pound of torque. Should give him lots of fun and excitement. And he's dead keen to get it back, despite the weather. It's a shame that he couldn't take it home on, ride it home, but such is life, eh? This is England. So, put it in neutral. Yeah. There we go. Starts on the bottom. Wicked. Been really nice if we'd had a chance to take it on the road and have some fun. But Ian will do that over Easter, I'm sure. And I'll give it to him to put it back on the back in the van. There you go, mate. Thank you very much for your custom. Does that look about like that?
Just get the supercharger in. There we go.
Thank you, and like I say, I hope to see you again, but without,
Yeah. Have some fun. Give it a shout when you get a chance to go out on it. Let us know what you think.
I'll give you a ring.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, no, brill.